Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Niken Aska Miranda and my friend Lisa Nur Aziza. We would like to do an assignment about interpreting video. The first turn will be Lisa Nur Aziza as a speaker and me, Niken Aska Miranda, as an interpreter. So, let's get started.
Liburanku ke Cirebon.
My trip to Cirebon.
Minggu lalu, saya dan keluarga pergi ke Cirebon untuk liburan sekaligus bertemu keluarga yang tinggal di sana.
Last week, me and my family went to Cirebon for a vacation and meet my family who live there.
Kami menghabiskan waktu 2 hari 1 malam.
We spent our time 2 days 1 night.
Pada hari pertama, kita semua menghabiskan waktu bersama di sebuah hotel dengan bermain games dan makan bersama.
On the first day, we all spent time together by playing games and eating together at the hotel.
Lalu di hari kedua, kita melakukan wisata kuliner makanan khas Cirebon. Salah satunya adalah empal gentong kerucuk.
On the second day, we do a culinary and eat some Cirebon traditional food. One of them is empal gentong kerucuk.
Momen seperti ini selalu saya tunggu karena sangat menyenangkan menghabiskan waktu bersama keluarga.
I always look forward like this moment because I really like spend time together in every year because it was so fun to spend my time with my family. Okay, that's all for the first turn. Now, for the second turn, Niken Aska Miranda will be a speaker and Lisa Nur Aziza will be an interpreter. So, let's get started. Liburan menyedihkanku.
My sadness holiday.
Beberapa tahun yang lalu, tepatnya setelah Hari Raya Idul Fitri, aku dan keluargaku pergi ke Garut. Aku pergi ke sana menggunakan sepeda motor dengan ibuku. Karena perjalanan dari Bandung ke Garut cukup jauh, maka aku memutuskan untuk naik motor menggunakan earphone untuk mendengarkan musik.
A few years ago, I was on the trip to my grandma's house in Garut. I went there with my family after it by motorcycle. I ride with my mother because the trip from Bandung to Garut was quite far. So I decided to ride while listening to music using earphones.
Setelah perjalanan sampai ke Ranca Ekek, aku memutuskan untuk istirahat untuk minum. Karena hari itu cuacanya cukup panas. Ketika aku meminum air, ayah dan adikku membeli beberapa makanan ringan di supermarket untuk kita makan bersama.
After we ride until Ranca Ekek, we took a break for a while to drink because that day was very hot. While I was drinking the water, my dad and my sister bought some snacks at the supermarket for us to eat together.
Setelah itu, aku melanjutkan perjalanan ke Garut. Tapi untuk kali ini, aku dan ibuku bergantian mengendarai motornya. Aku duduk di belakang ibuku, dan aku memasukkan earphone dan handphoneku ke dalam tas. Namun, beberapa menit kemudian, tiba-tiba seseorang berteriak dan membunyikan klakson. Bu, tasnya terbuka.
After that, we continued our trip to Garut. But at this moment, me and my mother take turns for riding the motorcycle. My mother ride it and I was sitting behind her. I put my earphone and my phone in my bag and I closed the zipper. But after a few minutes, suddenly someone turned the horn and shouted, "Ma'am, the bag is open."
Aku segera menoleh ke belakang untuk tasku. Tasku ternyata terbuka dan ponselku tidak ada. Aku langsung meminta ibuku untuk berhenti di pinggir jalan. Aku segera mencari ponselku di dalam tas itu, tapi aku tidak dapat menemukan apapun.
We back again to the street. I immediately looked back and saw my bag. My bag was open and my cell phone wasn't there. I directly asked my mother to stop on the side of the road, and I immediately looked for my cell phone in it, but I couldn't find it.
Aku segera kembali ke jalan yang aku lewati, tapi sayangnya aku tidak menemukan apapun di sana. HP-ku terjatuh karena tasku yang terlalu penuh, jadi resletingnya terbuka sendiri. Saat itu ibuku sangat marah padaku karena aku ceroboh, dan aku hanya bisa menangis pada saat itu.
We back again to the street that we have passed, but unfortunately we found nothing there. My cell phone fell because my bag was too full, so the zipper opened by itself. My mother was so angry because I'm careless and I just can't cry.
Lalu aku masih harus tetap pergi ke rumah nenekku. Sesampainya di sana, aku tidak berhenti menangis karena HP-ku itu. Pada saat itu, aku sangat tidak beruntung.
Then I have to still going to my grandma's house. When I arrived there, I didn't stop crying because of that phone. I was so unlucky that day.
Sejak hari itu, aku berjanji pada diriku sendiri untuk lebih berhati-hati lagi untuk kedepannya.
Since that day, I have promised to be more careful person in the future.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching this video and also thank you for your attention. I am Niken Aska Miranda and my friend is Nur Aziza. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.